Hello student, this is the revision time and in this sequence today I explained about the all in text question of your NCERT book with their solutions. Question number 1. What is a tissue? Tissue is a cluster of cells which are similar in structure and work together to perform a particular functions. In some conditions, you can say tissue is either group of similar cell or group of dissimilar cell which perform a particular function called tissue. Next one, what is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? The use of tissue in multicellular organism is to provide structural and mechanical strength as well as to allow division of labor. Next one, name types of simple tissue. Right answer is the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Next question, where is apical meristem found? Student, in plants, apical meristems are found at tips of the shoot and root of the plant. Next one, which tissue makes up the husk of coconut? And their solution is the sclerenchymatous tissue is make up the husk of coconut. These tissues cause the plant to become stiff and hard. Next question is, what are the constituents of phloem? Your answer will be Scheibe cells, Scheibe tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. These are the five elements known as the constituents of phloem. Next one, name the tissue responsible for movement in our body and your answer will be muscular tissue. If you have the question, name the tissues in this condition, your answer, the two tissues jointly are responsible for the movement of our body, namely muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Next one, give three features of cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles are specialized tissue which are only found in the heart. They are cylindrical in shape, striated muscle fiber, and they are uninucleated and branched. And another point is these muscles are involuntary and nature, and it provides the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart muscle throughout their life without fatigues. Next question is what is the function of areolar tissue? Areolar tissue are the type of tissue present in animals. They are the type of connective tissue and are found in between skin and muscle. They are also located around blood vessels and nerve and are present in bone marrow. This tissue support the delicate internal organs and assist in tissue repair in the case of damage. That's all, student. Thank you.